Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys some things, some technical things in this car. I'm showing the internal structure of the dashboard. This RS 350 Lexus. Okay, so often at times when this is a smart key car, and sometimes when you come to the car, you try to start the car, you won't have any response. The car won't start, it won't crack, the ignition won't come on. So I want to show you some few things that will cause that to happen. Number one, most thing that will likely to cause that to happen is this thing in my hand. This is called the power management unit. So this power management unit now controls the starting, controls the powers that go through the ignition system, the security systems. So once this power management system is not working, nothing in the car will respond. The only things that will respond is the smart bus. This is the smart bus. The smart bus, you'll be able to unlock and lock the keys. That is the door, but it won't start the car. So the next thing to look at, once the car fails to start and the ignition fails to come on and your battery is okay, is this. So this thing in my hand now is the ID bus. The ID bus. The ID bus, this is the socket. It's usually located at the back of this AC freezer in almost every Toyota car that you meet. So once this particular one is not working, the car won't start, and the ignition won't come on. Nothing will respond in the car apart from this thing, your key. Then the next thing that will make the car likely not to start and the key will not respond is this smart bus. If the smart bus is not working, even your remote will not work. So that is how it is. And that thing that will also cause it is this. This thing here now is the push start button. It also serves as the front antenna too. So there are often some misinterpretation that this particular one, this is hammer. We call it hammer. Most of the technician will tell you that when this is not working, your car will not start. It's a lie. The car will start. Without this, the car will start. The ignition will also come on. Then as for your steering, coming up and coming forth, the module responsible for it is this particular one. If this one is not working, the steering will just, you know that experience that once you on your ignition, the steering will come up to adjust your position. It will not. So guys, if you are getting value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I remain your automobile technician.